Hello beauties and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I really do. Like, I'm so happy that I have some amazing new organic families in my channel. I say you guys are welcome. You guys are so welcome. I'm so excited, and I say you all are welcome. You are absolutely welcome. So as some of you might know and some of you might not know, my name is Amaka, and I welcome you all. I'm so grateful that you chose to come to my channel. You know, we are one family. You know, I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. So as you know by the title already, in today's video we are going to do some unboxing. I got some things from Amazon and I want to open them, and I thought, why not show you? So yeah, if you want to see some of the things I got from Amazon, then keep on watching. So as you can see, I don't know if that's all, but I want to unbox this because I have this, and this is plants. As you can tell, this is live plants. So this is one of the reasons I want to unbox this just now. This is late in the night. So for some days now I've been doing my assessment. So most of our assessment they put that online. Will not be returning to school until August. So after summer holiday, so they gave us some work to do online. So I have like up to I think up to 6 or 7 assessments, yeah, like different subjects, so online. So that's what I'm actually doing. Some of these videos you see me posting, they are the like old videos I made. So and what I do when I get time, like in my free time in between my assessment, I'll just edit some videos, and what I do, I just edit it if I have spare time, and post it. So but today I'm making this video, this is on the 29th. I'm just going to make, you know, this unboxing so fast because I still have about three assessments to three or four, they're about to go. So it's not easy, guys. It's not really easy, but yeah, we are heading there. Most of them are on the 31st, so I'm just trying to do them and submit them. After the assessment, I will kick in. Like, I'm so ready for you guys in this summer. So yeah, let me not bore you with all this. Without any delay and all that, let's dive into this video. So these are all the things I got. Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I know the truth. I had myself. This is the aloe vera I have. Looks like this. This is the aloe vera I got, so I'm going to keep it aside. See here, I don't use all to make sure I don't have any other things. This is shea butter. So my lovelies, the next thing I got is shea butter, organic, unrefined, virgin, vegetarian, 100% natural, cruelty free, non-GM, organic. So the next thing I got with me is this carton. I just opened it, you can see. So the next thing I got is sweet almond oil. I really like sweet almond oil so much. It's good. It's 100% organic, moisturizing oil for hair, for skin. Like it's so guys will be doing some DIY soon. So it's actually DIY recipes as well, so you can like use it on your skin. By the way, I don't have any makeup on. I just put my my lip gloss and my just a little bit of eyebrow, a little bit of the brow gel, and yeah, that's it. I don't have any makeup on. Other than that, I don't have any makeup on, just this and that. I just thought I don't have time to make up because I just put this and all that. So yeah, that's it. I have sweet 100% organic sweet almond oil, and the next thing I got is glycerin. Like it's so good. Yeah, I got glycerin, and the next thing I got is this aloe vera powder. Yeah, all these, they are so good when you want to do DIYs. So yeah, aloe vera powder, organic, 100% pure natural. So the next thing I got is amla powder. All these, they are so good for hair growth. Yeah, you can use it for hair, face, body. You can use it like for scrub as well. Can you to mix, like if you want to make soap. Yeah, it says again, condition, sticking and shine even hair. It's also good. So yeah, that's it. So the next thing I got is neem leaf powder. So this is great as well for face, body, and hair. Antibacterial, treats skin and scalp infections. Yeah, it's 100% organic as well. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So moving on, I got some African black soap. So yeah, that's it. African black soap. So the next thing I got is this afro wig. This one I will make another video and show you to you, because I got another black soap, so I will make a separate video to tell you how goodness of black soap, like how good it can be on your skin. So I'll make a different video about this one, and the other one I have, like, you know. So yeah, expect the video will be coming soon. That will be after my assessments. So yeah, I got this wig. I don't know, I'll try to Although, cause next time you'll see this video will be when I'm doing my hair, so I think let me quickly show you how it looks. Sorry, something fell, so I think it's something if you have the direction on how to wash it. So it's good. So I got this for, so don't worry, I will show you. It's so I got this, so yeah, I will show you. This is like, I have lots and lots and lots of video to make this summer break. So I'm going to put it back. So that is this one. So in my next box, I'm going to have the last box here. I think one of my orders is still there. Hasn't arrived. I still have one that has not arrived. So I have here this is rose spray all day spray. So this is hydrating rose facial spray. Yeah, it's so good, although I haven't tried it, but I know the packaging is so well. The reviews are on top as well. So like guys, I don't just see things and buy. I need to review, watch reviews, watch, and then I'll put it in my cart. I'll monitor it like for weeks before I buy something. I don't just go and buy like things like that, or you know, I put something in my cart and then I will, you know, I'll continue to research and read reviews about that particular product. So yeah, so the last thing I got is this wig. I think I'm going to and make a special review. I'm going to make a review on this, like a separate review on it, but I think it's just similar to this. But I'll make a proper review wearing it. So yeah, that's good, I think. So yes, so and inside it I got this is hairnet you wear first before your wig. So yeah, that's basically all I got. I'm going to see if I'll show you all that in the thumbnail or just a video I'll show you. So that's basically all I got. I still have my there's another thing that is not here. I still have my grapeseed oil. I still have my grapeseed oil. I didn't see it here. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm going to, because I have other reviews I want to make, other unboxings, so I'm going to add it into something else when it arrives, because it's not here. So that will be it for today, for today's video. Yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, and comment and like, share my videos, please share my videos, and like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye bye. I love you.